Let's hold an item. Here, I'm going to explain how to have the character hold an item or change items. I explain using user interface of version 2.57. The character is displayed. Also, as an item to hold, there are globe and torus displayed as well. Let's hold the item. This time, let's hold on the right hand. As a preparation for holding item, put the character in the position where you can see the held item. Select the armature of the character and push item selection box of pastel action. There are item selection box for left hand and right hand. This time, the item will be held on right hand, so push the right hand selection box. There will be a submenu. With this menu, you can decide which item to be displayed. I want to display everything, so select all. Now, I can see all the items that are held. Let's set up the item. Choose globe. Since the item will be held in the right hand, I select Set Up button of the right hand. There will be submenu. You can have up to 20 items in one hand. In submenu, select the item number of your choice. This time, I choose number 1. Now, child constraint is added. Let's select the character's armature to the target. Subtarget is automatically set, so there is no need to select. Once the target is selected, the item moves. With the button Undo Correction, the item goes back to the original position. In order to move the item to the hand of character, use the button Move Item to Hand of Pastel Action. Fine regulation will be done by moving items directly. Now, the setup of item is complete. By the way, please remember well the setting of the number and item. You can only see the number when choosing items. Now, let's set up torus. Select torus. Select Item Setup. This time, let's hold number 2. Select armature of the character to the target of child constraint. Push Undo Correction button and put torus in the original position. Push Move Item to Hand button to move the item to the hand position. Do the fine regulation of the position. The setup of item is done. Now, let's change the item. In order to change the item, select armature of the character. Push Item Selection of Pastel Action. This time, we change the item in the right hand, so push Item Select button of right hand. With menu, select the item number you want to make the character hold. If I select 1, the character holds globe, number 1. If I select 1, the character holds torus, number 2. Now, all setup is done. Let's move arms and wrists. I explained setup and change of item. Thank you for watching.